You are with Walton Home. We are taking over Chief Architect Stories today. Come along with us as we take you on a journey throughout our day. We're going to show you how we use Chief Architect every single day. We're taking you on some job sites, and we have some fun surprises in store. And we want to hear from you to hear about how you use Chief Architect, because I'm sure that you use it very differently than we do. So stay with us. It's going to be a great day. Okay, we're about to take off and go to a measure. We're renovating a kitchen, so we've got our tape measure
and our laser and our graph paper.
And when we come back, we're going to show you how we put those measurements into Chief Architect, where all the magic happens.
I know you measured.
41. Okay, so now we're stopping off at a project in Berwyn. It's a kitchen renovation, and we actually have the renderings to show you. So we'll kind of do like a rendering to reality and show you the install. Looks so good. It's really coming together.
Nope, no raise yet.
We just got a great question about saving all of your pages into one PDF, which is awesome. So I'm in layout space, and I have all of my pages here. So if you flip through, got everything going here. Got a lot of pages here. So what I do is I go to File, Print, and then I would hit All, and it's going to generate all of these pages. And then I have it preset up here, Chief Architect, Save as PDF. I hit Save as PDF, I save it to the file, and then it saves all of those pages as one PDF file. So one of my favorite tools in Chief Architect is the automatic dimension. I learned using AutoCAD, and I had to manually dimension everything, which took a lot of time, and this is such a game changer. So I've got my elevation here of a new kitchen, and I just go to the CAD tool, automatic dimensions, NKBA. Bam, it's done.
My favorite tool is the Copy and Reflect About tool. So I'll show you here. These are cabinets, and we'll copy and reflect about the sink. And there we have it.
So recently we were hired to help one of our clients. He's renovating a barn. He has 35 plus acres of land, and this barn was an existing structure on his property. He's renovating it and moving his aging parents into the barn. It's such a great love story. And we're so happy to do this project for them. So we've put the plans into Chief Architect. We actually created a model, a 3D model of the whole barn. And we can't wait to show you what we've done with it.
To help our client visualize, we have the barn project here. This is the first floor, the second floor, and the third floor in floor plan view. And then we'll go to the camera here so we can get an exterior shot of the model we created. We can use the different camera tools to spin around and see all sides of the project. And I'll take you inside with one of the camera views here. So here we have the kitchen inside the model, and this is an example of the physically based rendering technique. And then we can zoom out so you can see
Walton Home. We are a full-service kitchen, bath, and interior design company. So as you can see, we do a lot of kitchens. This is one that we are doing. It's actually installing this May. We are so excited, and so are the clients. So this is just like an example of how we use Chief Architect, but I would love to hear how you use it because we're always learning and trying to grow. So give us some feedback and we can all learn from each other. Many moons ago when I learned to draft, I learned using AutoCAD. And then it became time, it was glaringly obvious that I needed to have better drawings. I needed three-dimensional renderings. So I actually found Chief Architect at KBIS several years ago. And because of my CAD background, I was able to learn Chief Architect really quickly. I would say that I taught it to myself in less than a year. I mean, I still have a lot to learn, and Chief Architect's training sessions are super helpful, and I have to say their customer support is incredible. But I think it's very intuitive and it's very easy to learn. I was looking to purchase Chief Architect several years ago. I wasn't sure which version to buy because they have all different kinds of versions. We landed on Chief Architect Premier. I am a member, so I subscribe for the customer support, which it's paid for itself in spades. I mean, I think I deleted all of my files one time and they helped me get them back. So we really love the Premier because it also allows us to do the full renderings of the exterior as well. I'm sorry, my dog is chewing on a toy over here, so he's making a lot of noise. But Chief Architect, Premier, X12, and like I said, we do interiors, we get into some exteriors, so it's really allowed us to kind of do whatever that we want. Our favorite features of Chief Architect obviously are the rendering techniques, and there's a lot of different techniques. We do a lot of ray trace for the photorealistic drawings, and our clients love them, but if you use Chief, they can take a while. So we've actually started using the physically based, and you still really get that kind of photorealistic look. You can see that the stainless steel is shiny and the countertops and the lighting. So this is one of the rendering techniques that we really love. And if you go up to this little house next to the camera, you can see how it changes them all. So if you go to standard, which is really bright, vector view, a little bit more of a line drawing with color. Glass house, we've never used this, maybe because it's for kitchens, it's just. So I'm doing this kitchen and I can't remember if the pantry, which is down here, I can't remember if the ceiling height is lower or not. And one of the things I love so much about Chief is I just click on the room and then bam, right here, it tells me what the ceiling height is. I'm good to go. This pantry, which I just showed you before, and I have this wall diagonal corner, which I don't want it to be diagonal. So one of the things I love so much about Chief is it's super easy to customize. So I'm going to take away the diagonal, make it a lazy Susan, and then I'm just going to edit. I don't want these drawers. Delete. I'm going to change the construction to frameless, full overlay. And then I want to add molding. And one of my favorite crown moldings is CA34. Auto offset. And it's done. Hello from Liz Walton Home. This is our team. This is who makes everything happen behind the scenes. Kelly is our designer. I'm Liz, the principal designer and owner. This is Jackie, our project manager. And Jennifer, this is actually Jennifer's first day. Woohoo! Welcome, Jennifer. She's our new office manager. We're so excited to have her. So we've been so privileged to spend the day with you. I wanted to tell you a little bit more about who we are and what we do. So here at Liz Walton Home, we are located in Phoenixville, Pennsylvania. So we're like 45 minutes west of Philadelphia. We are a full service kitchen, bath, and interior design company. Our clients are high-end, so we're doing luxury kitchens and baths. So we're talking like fully custom cabinets. We have a fantastic Amish cabinet maker. All of our furniture is custom, so we can really take a home from start to finish. We do project management, and we love guiding our clients from the very start of the project all the way through to the end and the beautiful photographs. We're off to a presentation. We've been working on this for weeks, actually. It's an entire first floor, and we're really excited to show the client what we've come up with. So we have our full set of plans and renderings. We have our little bag of tricks, so all of our samples, and we're really excited. Can't wait to see what they say. Thanks so much for spending the day with us. We had so much fun taking you around and just showing you how we use Chief Architect and how much it's enhanced our business and our clients' experience. It's been a total game changer for us, and I don't know how we would function without Chief Architect. So if you have any questions, feel free to DM us, and just thank you for your time.